Good afternoon. Our project title is Song Recommended through Natural Language Understanding of Lyrics. In our project, we are going to build a song recommender based on song lyrics. Previous work on this topic has heavily focused on supervised learning approach, and this is what motivates us to explore the unsupervised learning approach and see what results we can get. Here is the overall structure for the recommender. Given a song provided by the user, we first perform song categorization. After that, we retrieve all the songs with the same category from a golden dataset. And we rank these songs based on some similarity measure, and the songs with the highest similarity score are recommended to the user. The dataset we are using is the million song dataset, and there are about 50,000 songs with genre labels. However, the songs are highly skewed because most of them have the pop rock genre. In order to balance the data, we merge the genres into 3 different categories, and we also filter away a lot of songs in order to keep the number of songs in each category roughly the same. In the end, we have about 9,000 songs in these 3 categories. The first part of the recommender is song classification. We first implement the baseline supervised learning using the naive Bayes multinomial learner, and the result is as follows. As you can see, we have about 50% accuracy for the classification result, which is much better than the result we can get if we just randomly guess the category. And now, our focus is on unsupervised learning. The algorithm we are going to use is the k-means clustering. We basically cluster the songs using the bag of words feature. And because we are using the bag of words feature, the dimension for the feature is very high. It's about 5,000. So instead of using the Euclidean distance, we use the cosine similarities to measure the distance between songs. And after clustering the songs into different clusters, we assign each cluster to a category using a greedy algorithm. However, this k-means doesn't give us a good result, so we have some improvement on this algorithm. We first perform a TF-IDF on the word song matrix to reweigh some of the frequency. And after that, we choose the top 10 words for each of the songs and map the 10 words onto a glove vectors. In the end, we concatenate these glove vectors together to become a new feature for the song. Using this new feature, we achieve a much better result for the k-means clustering. Overall, we achieve a 40% accuracy on the classification result. This is not as good as the supervised learning result, but it's still better than the result we get if we just randomly guess the category. After we find the category of the song, we can retrieve the songs in the same category from the golden dataset, and we rank these songs based on the cosine distance again. And in the end, the songs with the smallest cosine distances are recommended to the user. As an evaluation metric, we try to compare our recommended songs with the ones provided by Spotify. Websites like MoreTrack like this can actually allow users to input a song and give back the recommendations from Spotify. So we try to compare our songs with the ones provided by Spotify, and if there are any overlap, then it's a strong indicator that our recommended songs are actually good recommended. So we are now working on automating this process, and we're going to include the result in our final report. Thank you for watching.